Abdali Grammar School, Science. Lesson. Matter and its characteristics. Chapter number 4. Lecture number 2. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Welcome back, dear beginners. Let's start discussing about metals and the properties of metal. Metals. Metal is the material that is hard, shiny, and have good conductor and thermal conductor. Dear students, let's learn about the example of metals. Lead, copper, tin, aluminium, gold. Lead. Metals are found naturally underground. They are mixed with other metals to make alloys such as steel. Steel is an alloy of iron which is stronger and durable than pure iron. In other words, steel is made up from iron metal, that's why steel is alloy. Start discussing about the properties of metal. Metals are shiny and lustrous. Metals have the quality of reflecting light from their surface, that's why they are called lustrous. Metal have smooth surface which reflect light. Metals have high density, that's why all metal can sink in water. Metals are malleable. Malleability is the ability of a substance to be hammered or rolled into the sheets. Gold is the most malleable metal. Metals can be easily hammered into different shapes. Metals are ductile. Ductile mean metals can be easily drawn into wires, and all wires are made up from metal. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Metal can easily pass current and also a good conductor of heat. Metals have high melting point. It mean metal can be melted at high point. Metals have different in colors, such as aluminium is very silvery white and color of pure gold is yellow. I hope you all better understand about metals and their properties. See you next time with another lecture. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel. 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore.